Are you going to be able to go home today?
No. Don't think about it.
No. Hi.
That's a cute book.
A little yawn there.
Yeah.
Any baby food.
There you go.
There you go.
You know that they're involved in that at least.
Good. Look at Grandpa. He's looking at you. You're looking at me. Yeah. Look at Grandpa. See him? Oh, look at that.
Yeah, Grandpa makes me want to puke.
Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh.
Not very happy today.
She's not. Okay, let's go in and relax.
So now, I take one of the fit rags.
Okay, like my mom said
And
that.
I just kind of put that over.
It's not uncomfortable. Yeah.
Now we're going to do this leg. Try and get it
Yeah.
to dripping places.
Maybe you want to get
Oh, you like that? Okay.
I know, buddy. When I get my hair done, the lady does a good job too.
Then last, you can just do the face with a warm cloth. And just wipe the little creases in your neck. Get behind the ears. Yes.
Oh my gosh. You get sleeping breast milk so bad and nothing.
Oh, does that feel good? And we're done. We're done. Now we need the towel, which is over here.
Head.
Oh, yeah.
Open it. He's amazing. He's amazing. So strong little boy.
Well, he came out in a week old.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, buddy. You're all clean. You're all clean. Say, Daddy, make her stop. Make her stop, Daddy. And then just make really sure you do that. You dry crevices really good. Because that's how you get the cheek. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn you over.
All right, you want to get dressed? Where do you want to get dressed at? In the room? Okay. See that little, oh, that's where you pop the thing now.
Thing. So we've got a couple of them so we can get them to work.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Where's your diaper now?
I know.
You sure? You sure? Okay, so we got Swata Yup, huh?
So they're going to try
Oh,
a
they're
different.
gonna. Oh, they are.
Yeah,
Okay.
they've got different swaddle
Okay.
thing that they're going to try, I think.
Okay. Well, his hair's not perfectly dry yet. Your hair's not perfectly dry yet.
See if we can get you swaddled into this thing.
They're trying to instill good personal hygiene.
There you go.
This thing is.
We do his nails every afternoon. Wrigley, buddy, I don't think this needs your help.
See, the problem is he can get his arms free,
Yeah.
and we have to avoid that. It's very important.
Waiting. Oh. Don't choke me.
I'm not gonna choke him.
What about that thing?
Choking. Oh. There you go. Now you're swaddled. Oh, well, now you're good.
No, I think.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, when.
That actually works pretty good. It's definitely easier
Yeah.
if his arms stay in.
Yeah. Wrigley, buddy.
Grandpa doing with that camera? Are you looking at him? No, you're not looking at him.
Yeah, I think, Jamie, I think the problem last time we used it, we weren't doing it technically.
Pam, do you want to hold him? What are you?
No,
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay.
Now just looking to see what this new little swaddle thing is like.
It's got two little tabbies here.
And then it has a
Little
little
papoose.
peekaboo
Oh my
thing in the back
goodness.
to check his diaper too.
Oh,
Goodness,
okay.
look at you looking at, turning your eyes and your head.
Wrinkly stuff like
Well, I'll probably have something on my hands. Soap or.
You're gonna give him kisses,
Tastes
Wrigley?
like baby.
That lotion probably should.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Kisses?
yeah.
Want to give him kisses? Huh? Give him some kisses? Yeah.
You get him.
I bet.
There's nothing to clean off.
Do you have any room in your freezer in your garage if we would bring
Sure.
some cookies over?
For sure.
Okay, because we're going to be tapped out shortly. Look at you, got a little spot on your nose. What's that?
He's had it.
Oh,
I think it's.
I see
I thought at first he scratched himself, but it hasn't gone away. So I don't know what that is.
it's real
Could
hot.
be.
So,
Could be a little birthmark or something.
Yeah.
Although I don't remember seeing it when he was born.
I do.
You do?
Yeah, it's been there. I think the whole time.
Maybe because his face was red.
They say a light or dark beer.
Which one of our boys had a
Greg.
red patch on his forehead?
Yeah.
Greg did.
That went away.
Can feel his head's a little softer in the back. Yeah. Are you happy, baby, now? You're a happy baby now, yeah. Got any toys down here?
Yeah. Actually, let's see where.
You gotta use this time. Look.
He likes the contrasting.
Yep. Can see that good. Look at the little lamb, sheep, something, cow.
He likes that book a lot.
Does he?
Hold up the different pages of the book.
Hello, baby. Look. Let's see. Well, Grandpa